x plus y equals to 20. X times y equals to 44. We are to find the value of x and y. Can you solve it? Watch to the end. I will show you the full solution in 6 easy beginner-friendly steps. Step 1. Let us label our expression. Let us call x plus y equals to 20, equation 1, and let us call x times y equals to 44, equation 2. Step 2. Let us make one variable the subject. I will be expressing y in terms of x, but you can express x in terms of y. You will still have the correct answer. From equation 1, x plus y equals to 20. So to make y the subject here, we have to subtract x from both sides of this equation. So we have x plus y minus x equals to 20 minus x. So y will be equals to 20 minus x. Step 3. Substitute the value of y into equation 2. So we have y equals to 20 minus x, and equation 2 is x times y equals to 44. So we are going to substitute 20 minus x in place of y. It will now be x, open bracket, 20 minus x, close bracket, equals to 44. Now, step 4. Expand and form a quadratic equation. So we are going to expand this and form a quadratic equation. X times 20 will be 20x, and x times minus x will be minus x squared equals to 44. Now, let us bring all the terms to one side. We are now going to have minus x squared plus 20x minus 44 equals to 0. Next, let's multiply by minus 1. We will have x squared minus 20x plus 44 equals to 0. Step 5. Solve the quadratic using the quadratic formula. So we will solve x squared minus 20x plus 44 equals to 0 using the quadratic formula. For the quadratic formula, x equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, a equals to 1. A is the coefficient of x squared, and it is equals to 1. B in our quadratic equation is minus 20, and C is 44. Now let us substitute that into the quadratic formula. We will have x equals to minus, open bracket, minus 20, close bracket, plus or minus the square root of minus 20 squared minus 4 times 1 times 44 all over 2 times 1. So, here, minus times minus 20, that will give us 20. And here, minus 20 times minus 20 is 400. And for 4 times 1 times 44, we have 176. All over 2 times 1 is 2. Now, we now have x equals to 20 plus or minus the square root. 400 minus 176 will give us 224. So we have 20 plus or minus the square root of 224 all over 2. So let us find the factors of 224. So 224, the factors are 16 times 14. Now, if we find the square root of 16 times 14, we'll have 4 root 14. And then when we divide by 2, we have x equals to 10 plus 2 root 14. We have gotten the value of x. X has two values here, 10 plus 2 root 14 and 10 minus 2 root 14. That leads us to the next step, which is step 6, substituting back to the next variable. Recall that y equals to 20 minus x. X have two values, so y will also have two values. So we will substitute the two values of x into y in order to also find the two values of y. For the first value of y, we will substitute 10 plus 2 root 14 in place of x. We will have y equals to 20 minus open bracket 10 plus 2 root 14 close bracket. And when we solve, we'll have y equals to 20 minus 10 minus 2 root 14 and y equals to 10 minus 2 root 14. Now, for the second value of y, we are going to substitute 10 minus 2 root 14 in place of x, And that will be y equals to 20 minus open bracket 10 minus 2 root 14 equals to 20 minus 10 plus 2 root 14. Y equals to 10 plus 2 root 14. So that is the second value. So they can also be written in this format. Now let us check if our working is correct. First, we will use equation 1, which is x plus y equals to 20. Let's substitute the value of x and y inside this equation. We'll have open bracket 10 plus 2 root 14 close bracket plus 10 minus 2 root 14 equals to 20. So let's open up that bracket. We'll have 10 plus 2 root 14 plus 10 minus 2 root 14. 2 root 14 will cancel 2 root 14. You are left with 10 plus 10, which is equals to 20, equals to 20. So this is correct. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.